morning, cyber traders. Happy Thursday, everybody. 9 o'clock in the morning, 30 minutes until the market opens up on the 27th, almost done of the month. By the way, I just realized it. We're ending on the 28th. I forgot it's not your typical 30th, right? February. It's the shortest month of the year. And but we did get a full 4 weeks. So tomorrow is our last day of the pay period. So I want to keep an eye on that. Anyway, NVDA. Who watched NVDA yesterday going into the close? So I don't know if you guys watched it. I know we have a lot of people here watching on social media, but a lot of people, I got a lot of comments on it. Want to talk a little bit about it. It's, stock, obviously you could see had a great, beautiful slingshot, which is so awesome about this. Don't you like the slingshots? You know, it's funny. A lot of people here never knew what a slingshot really was. But I taught that in classes, how to actually trade it. If you got the order around 126, and let me tell you, you did pretty good. You got to work on those slingshots, and you could do a long, you do a short, but within that minute right here, I just want to point that out. This stock literally did a slingshot within $10. And it was pretty cool. So it did come out late, 20 minutes after earnings came out, but that was pretty much it with that one. Now, regarding about the news on the what was going on with it, what was my news I had on it? I had some news on the stock. Where did I go? I had my news. Where's my news feed? No, there it is. So anyway, regarding about the NVIDIA, I don't have it up here. I took it down. So they did do good on their earnings. And you could see here that, let me just change the slide here. Oops, hope I next out of this. Nope, there we go. Let me fix the screen so you guys can see a little better. There we go, for some of you here on social media. So you could see that they did have good earnings, and it didn't move that much, and it wasn't super exciting. And what I said in the video, for some of you watched it on social media, is it all depends on what they come out with the call. They have a call right after they make that announcement, and they let you know what the outcome is. And so anyway, it did pretty decent. Had a really nice move right around that, almost, what is that, 3:45, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. I mean, 4:45, 5 o'clock. And then it had a big move from like 30 and went all the way up to here. So it's hovering for around the 36. Now, for some of you here that one of our expertise is what we really kind of teach here is level 4. I did look at it. And the big iceberg orders are still hovering right there in pre-market. Let me show you where we're at. You could see there at 145. 135 is a major resistance levels, okay? Major resistance levels. And I had a video. Let me show you this video really quick because this one was pretty awesome. Let me go on my Instagram because it's on all of them. It's on all of them. Let me bring this up for you guys here. It's a separate window. It's actually my most popular video that I posted, and it's crazy. It was such a long time ago. So let me bring on my reels. So this right here, if you look right here, here's my Instagram. By the way, this is also on TikTok. This is also on YouTube and all of them. But this video right here, you see the second one right here? It says 996, almost 1 million views. And it was the NVIDIA trade. If you guys get a chance to watch it, we'll post that link up again. And make sure you like it, share it, everything else. But in that video, I do talk a little bit about NVIDIA is having this big resistance levels right around that 140, 135, all that stuff. So is it playing? Nope, it's not playing. Let me get up here. Try it again. It looks like it's freezing up a little bit. But anyway, that video did really well. And the thing is, it's basically still trading at the same place. It really hasn't gone anywhere. So, the big thing about here at Cyber Trading University is that we all thinking like, oh, NVIDIA. There's so many stocks out there. And I did do a post because some of you yesterday were asking me about Fausto. What are the swing trades? I don't know what happened yesterday. I don't like to be in cash. I was in about 80% cash, but I went long, and there were a couple of good stocks. And by the way, there were a couple of good stocks this morning I'm moving. We'll look at some of them. But I did go along a bunch of stocks. There was some really screaming buys yesterday, okay? I don't know. I felt on it. Now, I just want to cover them really quick. Reddit, I thought it was a screaming buy. You could look here on the chart right here, on the long-term bottom chart. You could see it, big support levels of 152. Going back in December, a lot of you here remember we watched this stock up at 70. I mean, this stock literally was probably the best mover at most of them. I didn't buy Palantir yet. Okay. I was hoping it was going to probably get right around here, around 81. I did jump into ARKK. You could see this one right here. This is Kathy Wood's ETF. That hit a big support levels. IBIT, I did buy it. I was a little pissed off because I did chase it. I got it right around here, around, I think it was right around 49. And then it came all the way back down here. I did a video on that one too. That one did pretty well too. Damn, that thing did good. That was that video right there. Holy crap! I just realized it. 200,000 views it got overnight. Okay, that was a pretty good. That was a pretty good. Oh, that was a different one right there. There was this one right there. Yeah, it was this one, and then this one right here did pretty well too. I posted those up yesterday, so that one did 200,000 views. Anyway, that one right there, it hit a major support. Let me just bring this up here and show it to you here on level 4. Here we are. So he's not there anymore, but there was a big buyer around 85, and it was a really big support levels at that 85. He's not there anymore. You could see that the big buy here is around 80, so I'm a little nervous on that. I mean, I know Josh is such a huge fan of it. It was a pretty good buy right there. And I use IBIT because Bitcoin, if you're going to trade Bitcoin and look at the level 4, and if you don't trade Bitcoin, because I know some of you want to trade, $86,000 worth of stock, you could always trade IBIT. Trades very similar to it, but there was pretty good big support levels. Keep an eye on Archer. I did go long Archer too. I went back. Archer was at a big support levels here too. Made a little bit come back Friday morning. Tomorrow morning they do come out with earnings, so we definitely make sure you hear. And if you're watching on social media, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you take your phone on the top right-hand corner. If you're watching us live, you could come and join our trading room. We'll be here all morning. You could come and join us instead of just coming here during the day, when we're here at 9 a.m. and at 2:30, the afternoon hours of trading. Come join our trading room. Click on that QR code on the top right-hand corner. I think you guys are going to really, we're here all day broadcasting live in our trading floor. All right. So those stocks did pretty well. What else did I jump into? I jump into anything else? I was buying at everything. What else? I did that. I bought this stock right here. I bought the CONY, and I did jump back into PL. Did I jump back into that one? I did. I think I jumped into the the TR. Was it? No, I didn't buy it not till right. Yeah, I bought the Conley. I got to double check, but I think I bought that one too. Anyway, a couple of stocks did take a big hit. I'm thinking about doing a video on this one too. Poor donut. What happened to Krispy Kreme? Oh my God, this thing got destroyed. But I keep getting my alerts, and it gets me hungry every morning about that new day. Always having a sale, giving that to donuts and stuff. I think they probably had the best donuts out there, but that thing took a big hit. I might do a video on that. Try to just do an educational course on it, a little bit on donut. But that one, let me tell you, I was long that stock, and let me tell you, I was completely wrong because I let my stomach get in love more than the stock value. But my day trading mentality, what I've learned over 35 years, taught you this. So anyway, I know we were trading it right here around the, $10, 11. And then once it broke right around here and broke that major support level, I think I got out right around 980. Good thing I got out of it. Look where it is today. See, remember, this is the biggest thing that all of you guys have to understand. It's not the winners, it's the losers you always have to control. That's the big thing. All right, let's go through the watch list because we got a shitload of stocks we got to talk about. I know you guys are killing it on this one in pre-market. XNET is doing fabulous. This stock has been doing great. I know a lot of you traders jumped into it. I would just be a little concerned, okay, on one thing. There was a big iceberg order that was in there from 8:30 to 9:45. I'm going to show it to you in a second. It was for about, how many shares was it? About 123,000 shares were out there. Let me show it to you right now. See that big seller right there? He was there right around 8:45 to around 9:30. I know some of you here that have level 4 know about it. So if you're interested and you think the stock is going to go higher, it's on the watch list. But I would be a little concerned. We're at 5, so that $586, I want to be a little watch out for it, okay? XNet. All right. Another stock that's in the big percentage gainers. Remember, these are all the nice little small caps that we like to trade, because when we trade the small caps, they're cheaper, less controllable, more tradable. This one is moving up pretty good. You got resistance levels here back in February, right around the highs around 275. When I hopped over here on level 4, I did see those orders out there also. So program trading is already kicking in pre-market. You can see them right there, 19,000, 30,000, 38,000. You know, a lot of orders out there, but there's still room to move. And we saw what happened yesterday. Sometimes those big orders do get executed, which is also very awesome. I'm going to put on NVDA on the list, because you got to, right? Because earnings, and I love I just love NVIDIA. What's nice about NVIDIA, it's got great iceberg orders, great levels on it. Just don't trade too many shares of it. This stock, very cheap, very cost effective. The stock had a gazillion stock splits, and it's up a little bit right now. This one's also pretty good. This TRNR, you could see where it was back here in the $600 price range. As iceberg goes, a little bit Lego-y, if you ask me, but it is up 33%. Another one that's pushing up pretty good here, Riley, another nice little stock. Big orders hovering here around $7. Let me show you right here. See those big orders right there? This is all pre-market, fellow traders. It's not even, the market's not even open, okay? These are people, these are the people that are getting suckered in, and market makers already know who's got their orders out there. But you could see it right now. It's got some tough resistance levels. Nice little mover yesterday, but you can see right now here in intraday from 7 in the morning, big resistance. That big iceberg order I just showed you, he's the one that's not holding it down. As other stocks go down, I didn't see anything else. I also liked Mara's moving. Interesting. It's going on the watch list. If Mara's moving, that means Tilray's moving, right? I haven't seen that stock in the watch list in a long time. Definitely, I don't know if that has something to do. That's the mining, Bitcoin mining. Losers, I didn't see anything in good losers. This is why you don't hold positions overnight. You lose. You wake up the next morning like I can't sell 27. Wake up your AAT. What do you do now? Do you sell it now? This is what we teach you at Cybertrading University, fellow traders. You know, New York Stock Exchange, I didn't see anything there. Snowflake, too expensive. Robinhood, that's it. We're gonna put what else we got? Is IPIC coming back down? We got Reddit. We're putting on the watch list. RDDT. Archer, we're going to put on the watch list. Archer, because remember, earnings are coming out tomorrow. Spelled it wrong. ACHR. And that pretty much does it. What do we got here? Anything in the most active? Let me tell you, this stock, I'm glad we got out of it. This thing's been taking a very big hit. Tesla's been taking a very big hit. Look at that, $40 all the way down to $13. Let me tell you, it looks like a buy. It's getting close to his support levels, okay? It's getting close. I'm interested. I am interested. I would love to see Tesla get down here to 250. That's a case, you know, I'm going to be an interested big buyer. That would be a nice little 200-point drop right there. Kerry says, me too, right? Good to go. All right, traders, let's get ready for the market open up. Once again, today at 12 o'clock, for the ones that are watching on social media, I will be doing a 1-hour live presentation, how to trade on level 3, level 4. It's our open house. We do it every week. Take your phone, scan the QR code, top left-hand corner. Right-hand corner. If you're watching right now, we got the link up there right now. So everyone's more than welcome. It's a free open house. We'll see you there. And, you know, we'll see why everyone loves doing this job. All right. So if you like my videos, if you like everything I'm doing, you don't want to miss this event. All right. So we'll see you there. And for everyone else, we'll be back in 15 minutes. Don't go anywhere. All right. Go fill up your coffees. Go hit the restroom. Let's get ready for the market open up. And like I always say, fellow cyber traders, you see something, you say something. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading. For everyone else on social media, I will see you back here at 12 o'clock, or come and join the trading room. We'll be here all day.